Let's move on. A scalable and reliable matching service for content-based publish subscriber system. In this paper, we study about how to distribute large live content to the distribute user in a scalable and reliable manner. How to distribute large live content to the interest user in the scalable and reliable manner. The publish subscriber model is widely used to data distribution because of its capacity of seamlessly expanding the system to massive size. However, the most even matching service of existing publish subscriber system either lead to low matching throughput when matching a large number of skewed subscribers, interrupt distribution when a large number of servers fail. The cloud computing provides the great opportunity for the requirements, the complex computing and reliable communications. In the existing system, publish subscribe model is widely used for data dissemination because it's a capacity of seamlessly expanding the system to massive size. The existing technique is the neighbor list maintenance. The drawbacks of the existing system is the low matching throughput and interrupt dissemination when a large number of server fails. In proposing system to achieve the low routing latency and reliable links among the servers, we propose a distributed overlay skip cloud to organize the servers of scalable, reliable, even matching service. In algorithm is proposing prefix routing and adaptive selection algorithms. Advantage of the proposed concept is low routing latency and reliable links among the servers. This is the overall structure. Skip cloud is monitoring all process. Data center is used to the maintaining all published papers. The brokers are sent to the paper to wanted subscribers. This is the software requirement. Operating system is Windows 8 and 8.1. Front-end is a Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2013, coding language C#, and backend is SQL Server 2012. These are hardware requirements. In future concept, to the best of our knowledge, neither portfolio-based design diversity nor dynamic adaptive system has addressed the problem that we explore in our work. In algorithm is adaptive selection algorithm. Advantage of the future concept is disseminate the large live content with various data size to corresponding the subscriber in a real-time manner. Thank you for watching.